Hi everyone, how you all are doing? I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English practice, and I'm going to basically listen one video which I've already uploaded and just try to find out like what I can improve, and just taking some sort of things which is most important for a beginner, like if he did mistakes, so finding out that and just writing down in the notes, because that is how we can basically focus on the mistakes and improve, try to improve in upcoming days. So let's jump into this video.
Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day and having a productive day today. So let's jump into this video which I'm going to speak on the cue card, and I'm just uploading the videos on the practice of English videos, English language basically. And today I've got this cue card which is very interesting for speaking and just collecting my past. So it is about describing your experience when you change your school, college, or job, anything that you change. So this is the cue card which I picked for today's video for speaking, and so I've got multiple kind of cue cards from online platform, which is you can also find it, and I'm here to like to encourage people whosoever are thinking like to speak in front of multiple kind of peoples, because if somebody's want to speak, they feel very nervous. Before that they should need to like at least practice, because then after you are able to collect some sort of confidence and then you can speak. So if I talk about this topic, so let's move into this video and about that cue card as well. So if I talk about I just want to express about my last job which I've changed, and after changing the job, it's feel initial days is feels like not exciting as you are working in a last job, because there is a certain environment change and certain people change, that is you are not able to like get engaged with them easily, because that is the initial days, and this is the situation which I faced. And yeah, apart from this, there is a lot of knowledge we can grasp from the previous organization comparison to the new organization, because you are getting a new role and your new responsibility over there. So it is very exciting and great journey to like changing, because change is also good in our life as well. If we don't change, so we are like not learn anything new, because it is also important. So there's lot of colleagues I have built nowadays after changing the job. In the previous job as well, there is lot of a colleague as well who are very close to me, and so comparison to like a cue card, this is it. I think I'm not up to the mark.
So the video was good, and I think the voice quality is better than like my previous videos which I've uploaded without microphone. And in that, basically, I need to use a lot of things which I'm thinking currently. And so yeah, there is the thing which you watch, like basically your past. You can watch your past by seeing the YouTube videos. That is very interesting and very helpful for me, because I can able to observe myself and my mistakes is, so it is a part of journey. If you don't mistake, you are never going to learn anything new, as I already told you. So it is a part of journey, you need to embrace it. So on this video, I think I've learned a lot of things by listening this video. And so if you want to basically want to speak, so you need to at least practice every day. It's just take 5 to 10 minutes only, right? And at the end of your life, you basically never regret that you haven't done that. So that is why I've started. And so on this note, that is it. I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.